How to fix Facebook disabled. In this video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook and scroll down, click on storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on first stop, click also OK, and now go to this option here appear on top, allow permissions, and disallow it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.